Morning students. So today we are going to discuss about organ system. So we know that cell is the basic unit of our life. So cell will divide into tissues form organ will form the organ system. That's how the organism is formed. So there are 8 types of organ systems in our body. In that we are going to see about skeletal system. Skeletal system means bones, then cartilages, joints. These are the skeletal system. So bones, we know that cartilages means it is a tissue that connects the long bones. Okay, for example, if you touch the ear at the tip, you will feel a flap like structures, that is called cartilage. Then at the end of the nose and joint. So in our body there are 206 bones are there, and cartilage and ligaments and tendons are there. Ligaments means it is a tissue that connect a bone to bone. Okay, bone to bone is connected by ligaments, then bone to muscle will be connected by tendons. In our skeletal system there are two types. One is axial, then appendicular. Axial means upright axis of the body, then upper side, that is skull. In our head, that is skull, then vertebral column and rib cage. So appendicular skeleton means it consists of bones of the limbs, hands and legs, that limbs will be there, then pectoral and pelvic girdles. So skull, that is it consists of two bones, that is cranial bones and facial bones. Cranial bones that protects the brain, facial bones it give the structure to the face. Then hyoid bone means auditory ossicles, we can call as auditory ossicle. Auditory hearing means ears. So the bones present in the ears, that is malleus, incus and stapes. Then lower jaw in face. Lower jaw, it is the largest and strongest bone in the face. Then vertebral column, it is extending from the base of the skull. Okay, from this base of the skull it will be extending. This will protect the spinal cord. So it is made up of small bones, that is called vertebrae. Next one, rib cage. Rib cage means in our chest region this will be present. There are 12 pairs are there, and this will protect the vital organs. What are the organs present in that area, that is heart, lungs, it will protect. Next one, limbs. There are two pairs of limbs, upper limbs and lower limbs. Limbs means hands and legs, that is called limbs. Upper limbs means four limbs. Four limbs are front limbs. Then hind limbs means lower limbs, legs. Next one, girdle. Girdle means it joins the axial skeleton. Okay, that axial skeleton will be connected by pectoral and pelvic girdle. That four limbs and hind limbs are attached to the axial skeleton by this pelvic and pectoral girdle. So there are two types of girdles. What are they? Pelvic and pectoral. Pelvic means it is in a hip region. Okay, that will connect to the legs. Next one, pectoral. Pelvic is present in our hip region, pectoral in our shoulder region. Okay, that will joint the hands to the shoulder. So in our body, smallest bone is stapes. Okay, stapes is the bone, it is present in our ear, that is 2.8 millimeters. Then longest bone means thigh bone, that is called as femur. So learn and write, list out the important organ systems in our body. Write your short notes on skull.